Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to fix the issue where your iPhone is not turning on. Now of course this device is not being affected by the problem. I'm simply using this device for demonstration purposes. This is the procedure that we usually go through as soon as we have a device that comes in that is not powering on. Now of course I'm going to run you through the most likely scenario, and then we're going to take it from there and move all the way through. Now of course one of the first things to try if your device is not powering on at the power button here, meaning that you have pressed the button for long enough, and of course no matter how long you hold the button, the device will not power up. You're not seeing the Apple logo, you're not getting anything from the device. The first thing I wanted to do guys is to go ahead and check your charger. Now sometimes you might think that your device is charging, but of course the charger is at fault. So what I recommend is that you switch out your charger and get a brand new charger, or if you have a secondary charger, go ahead and try that out. Sometimes it can be the cable itself, meaning this USB section, or of course it can be the adapter brick section right here. So it would be a good idea to switch these around and get a spare. If you don't have a spare, what you can do guys is that for the USB portion you can try connecting to a computer and see how it performs. If not guys, you might have to borrow an extra cable somewhere, then test that out. As long as you have a good cable and you're sure it's not the cable, you can move on to the next step. Next guys, the issue might be the charge port of your device, meaning that it's damaged or faulty, in which case there's very few things that you can do. Alright, so in the case that it's the charge ports that's not delivering the power, what I suggest guys, if you have a quick workaround, if you have a wireless charger, you can go ahead and hook up a wireless charger. These devices do come with wireless charging, so go ahead and try to charge your device wirelessly. If it's charging wirelessly and of course you're able to power up, it could be that there is a issue with the charge port itself. Alright, so if it's not the charge port guys, another thing could be the software on your device. It might be that the device itself, the software has crashed, and of course it's resulting in a black screen problem. The issue with this is that your device is not taking any input at all. In such a case, you're going to try the following. And remember, this is just a demonstration device. It's not actually happening with this device. So your screen will remain blank, and I want you to do the following. So the first thing you do guys is, alright guys, so in some cases the display will remain blank. I'm going to show you to do a force restart in case of failure of the software. You're going to do this. You're going to hit volume up, volume down, and power. It's going to be one swift motion, so you got to watch out. So it's volume up, volume down, and heat and hold power. So keep holding power. You're not going to let go until you see the Apple logo. Keep holding. You're going to watch out for the Apple logo. You might require a few tries. And there you go. So just in case you miss it, it's going to be volume up, volume down, then you're going to hit power. Remember, volume up, volume down, let go, power. One swift motion, up, down, power. All right, might take a few tries as I said, but that's the way you actually do a force restart on any of the newer iPhones. And in most cases, what's going to happen is that your device is going to start up, and once it starts up as seen here, you'll be able to log back into your device or use your device. The black screen does give the impression that the device is not powering on, and that's why you might be thinking your device is not powering up. Alright guys, so I think I've covered most of the major reasons why your device or your iPhone is not turning on and how you can actually fix it. Alright guys, as always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips. Answer the quick tips showing you to fix your iPhone is not turning on issue. Ricardo Gardner saying bye until next time. Bye.